What's going on, guys? It's me, Priya. If you got any free stuff in your more, come on let you read another unboxing came from eBay. So that can see eBay. So it says here Tech Deck toy. So it's very nice from Kids and Us. So but it's still came from eBay. So yeah, very nice. I'm gonna just open it nicely, and yeah, I'm gonna just set the video there. Still raining here, so yeah. It's a nice cool shipping. So it's my second time to have these. Okay. The first time that I have the eBay unboxing is the fingerboard. With the fingerboard, so it's nice there. That my RAM came. This is the RAM. It's a nice box. So it is here. Yeah, there. That's it. Oh my goodness. None. So has a note here. So a little note here. But my mother named this to my grandmother. Says, "Hi Melinda, thanks for your support. We are a starter in eBay. Your one positive feedback is precious for us. Please leave a positive feedback if you have received the item. Have a nice day." So with happy face. But my mother named this to my grandmother, so my name is Pia, not Emelinda. So they're on the note there. So yeah, this is it. So this is really it. So it's a nice, and yeah, triple set Tech Deck. It says Tech Deck triple set combo RAM, and yeah, that's it. Oh, I'm very excited. So I'm gonna just open it. So skate parts. It's pretty nice. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, what the? Look at that. This is the Tech Deck and the rip tape and sticky tape. See that? So I'm gonna just get it out later. So yeah, this is it. This is really it. So oh my goodness, sticky tape. This. Look at that sticky tape and the grip tape. It's really nice.
Yeah.
What? It's very nice. Yeah. Wait a minute. Catch you later. So yeah, I'm back. My grandfather just looked at it. So yeah, sorry for that. So yeah, I'm gonna just open it right now. Pretty nice. So yeah, I'm very excited to use this one. So yeah, this is the wheels here. 1, 2, 3. So it's nice here. So I'm gonna just put it right there. I don't know what sticky tape is. Look at that. It's double. Yeah, but it's still sticky tape. So yeah, this is the deck with no grip tape. It's wood industry. Pretty sick, nice. So yeah, nice. Yeah, this is it. Oh my goodness. Oh my, this is really it. My goodness. Let me just take it off. Oh, it's pretty hard. Oh my my technology. Oh, this is it. Oh, what's this? Okay, it's non-band. Okay. Pretty nice. I'm gonna try it. So, yeah, it has here some double. It's right here and right there. So, you can just go here and some little kick flip and grind here. It's grinded. So right here and there. So it's a nice thing. And yeah, you just let it off. Oh my goodness, some stickers here. What the? So yeah. Oh my, pretty nice. Oh yeah, that pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay, some stickers here. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my, holy crap. So sick. Look at that, some stickers. Yay. Pretty nice. So yeah, I'm gonna just oh my, so sick. Thank you for these stuffs. So yeah, thank you for the note. So yeah, nothing else. The box none. Yeah, pretty nice, sick. Yeah, I'm gonna just put it right here. So it says here tag deck, so it's nice. Yeah, put it off. So you can put this off here. So you put it right like this, or just like this. You can put this as the stand of the okay. You can put this right stand of that. You put this stand, I think. Yeah. So I just think about it. Oh no, it's like this. Actually, it's like this. Sorry. So it's like this. So yeah, it's pretty nice, sick. Oh yeah. So it's like that. So yeah, you can write all. So I'm gonna just put it right here. So you can see, guys, it's still raining here. Oh my goodness. And just put it right. So yeah, you can just there. Oh, what the? So I'm just gonna put it right like this. So just close that one. Okay. So I'm gonna just try it. Just it nice. So I'm really not so nice. So it's pretty sick. And yeah. Goodness, holding the trees. So I'm gonna try it with my fingerboard that I buy on eBay too. So this is the fingerboard, the wooden fingerboard. Yeah, I have a unboxing here. So just look at my webpage, my channel. So kindly around here. But pretty nicely. Oh man. So yeah. Nice. So you can put it right here, I think. No. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So sick. So yeah, I'm gonna just write this. Kindly nice. It's kind of noisy, so pretty nice. Ooh. Okay, pretty nice like this. Pretty nice. I'm gonna try this like this. So yeah, I'm gonna try with some ramps. Some ramps there. It's pretty nice. See that? You get to this. So it's pretty nice. So sick. It's nice. It's very kind of nice. I don't have no something like that too. So we can do that something. Some things, yeah. So it's pretty nice. It's kind of noise, so I'm gonna just set up this thing and then just try it. I think yes. Pretty fit. It's pretty fit. It's nice. So the foam is not. It's not a foam. It's just a good tape, but it's still very thick. Yeah, this is the sticker tape. Some double here, double here, and double there. So it's kindly different than the other. So this one has a full tape. I'm gonna show you the other sticker tape. So oh my goodness. This is the sticker tape. You can see that it has a light there. So that one. So it's different with this, that. So yeah, it's different. But this is so white than the other. I gotta try. Sorry. And try this. It's yellow wheels and it has pretty nice. So sick. So my classmate has like these too. This it has on SM store like this. But my mom bought this on eBay from Walmart. So it's kindly pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice pocket. Like that. Just like that. See that? Pretty nice, and yeah. Some stickers here, so nice. So yeah, I'm gonna just enjoy these stuffs. So yeah, wait for these stickers. Yeah. Okay, no more. So some skate box there. So some colors. The colors. And yeah. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it's pretty nice, sick. Yeah, some has Fifty.com there. So I have 2 ramps there here today because it's pretty sick. So the box is empty. See, the box is empty. So it's pretty nice to have these stuff. So thank you once again. And yeah. Thank you to Kids. I don't really even know who is this. From Kids in Us. Bang Bay Bronga. Bang Bay Dong. Soe Seo Chogu. Seoul, Korea South. Tech Factory. It cost $46.99. Yeah. and shipped to my grandmother. So it's nice. Yeah. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice stuff here. So then just this. It's shipped here in November 29, but my grandmother get it December 9. So that's December 9. And yeah, thank you for this once again to the girl who really says support me. So yeah, some smiley face there. So yeah, it's my grandmother. My grandmother's name is Emelinda Cesaria. So yeah, I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna just enjoy these stuffs. So yeah, this is my even boxing second time. So yeah, please subscribe, thumbs up, and yeah, it's a rainy day. So yeah, some stickers there. Oh, so get tech. Tech. I don't know what's that. That too, and that too. Tech. So this one is tech too. It's pretty nice stick. So some stickers pretty nice. So yeah, once again I have my around today. So have it. You can see that. So the note is there. Okay. So now it's right there. So deck. It's pretty nice. See rolling this. Pretty nice, okay. Grip tape. See grip tape, pretty nice. Nice grip tape. So this is the sticky tape. Okay, this is the sticky tape. That different with the one sticky tape. So yeah. Once again, this is my stuff, and it came from Kids. I don't know who's that, but yeah, it came from eBay. So yeah, I opened this, but I opened right here. So none. See that one? See that? Pretty nice stick. So yeah, thank you, and bye. The value $46. Yeah, commercial sample. Beef. Yeah. Shipped to my grandmother. Yeah. It's my grandmother's. So it says here, tech deck, triple set, combo ramp, read tech deck, and good tech. 3 ramps in one. So yeah, this stuff is not. So yeah, this one. New ramp, and yeah. Okay. Guys, enjoy my video. Thumbs up, subscribe, comments down. So yeah.